Hey guys, welcome back. In last video we saw like how we can create fragments, how we can create aliases. In this video we'll look into the variables. Right now what we have done till this video is like we are hard coding parameters. In this video we'll learn how to create variables and use that variables to pass any value in any of the query. So what we are going to do is like right now, as we see product 1 here and product 2 is hard coded. So we'll create two variables here, product 1 ID, and I'm going to copy this and paste it here. In the same way, what I can do is like I will copy this one and I will change the name to product ID 2 and then I will copy this product 2. Let's try to replace these two things to product 1 string and product 2 string with variable. So basically in GraphQL syntax, the product any variable starts with dollar. So if I need to write a variable, what I will have to do here is like I'll have to start it with dollar and then the variable name product ID 1. Similarly for product ID 2, I will do the same thing. But now as we see like here red mark, if I hover over and see like the variable product ID1 is not defined by operation cart products. So for this operation, this variable is not defined, so it is not accessible here. So these are the variables which are global, accessible outside, but not accessible inside this cart products operation. So how we can make this accessible inside the card products? What we are going to do here is like we'll use the bracket here and we will pass this product from product ID 1, the first variable from here. Now what is the error here? We are getting expected colon found bracket. So after this it is expecting a colon. Now if I hover like it is saying like expected name found this. So what it mean actually what it want from us is like the type. So if you see the product, if I go back and open the product, the ID is of ID type. So what I need to do here is like I will type ID and then if it is mandatory, then like I will have to write as it is. Now the error has gone. Similarly, what I will do is like I will do it for product 2. So I can add multiple variables here by comma separated. Now the as we see like red underline is gone from product ID 1 and product ID 2. Let's try to execute this. We are seeing the product ID 1 and product ID 2. What we are going to do now is like we can define one default value here. How we can define default value? We'll use equal to and we can copy product 1. So let's make it product 3. Right now, if I try to execute the card products, I will get the details of the product 1 since it will be giving priority to the past variable that is product 1. Now let's say if I remove this from here, now in this case it should pick the default value that is product 3 and we should get the details of the product 3 from here. Let's check this out. As you see like we are getting the product 3 details as well as the product 2 details. In the same way, you can use in any of the query inside the card products. here, and you can utilize any of the variables. That's it from this video. We'll come up with the new things in upcoming videos. Till then, keep watching. Have a nice day.